Hey everyone, this is Paul, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Welcome to my Sunday live stream. Today with a very realistic, this is realistic, but the minimalistic setup, the radio, the QRP minimalistic setup here. So that is the QRP Labs QMX transceiver, which has been fully modified, and also you can see this 27 or 28 megahertz vertical antenna. And of course I have here with me the magnetic loop antenna, which is the backup antenna. And also I have here the ICOM 705 transceiver, also the backup device. Well, it seems that while I am scanning the band seems to be very quiet, so I'm not sure if I will be able to make any QSO today. I don't know why is that so bad on the bands. So let me know, guys, if you find also the band so quiet. So hello everyone. I hear somebody on 20 meters. Let me find something else, maybe stronger. I'm on this vertical antenna, so this is not antenna for 20 meters, but I can go to 27555, which is the CB band monitoring frequency. It is not a real CB band, this is out of the CB band, but there are many colors on this frequency, so I'm going to 27555 and we'll see. Okay, okay, 27. Now I'm on 27555. You can see the frequency over here. And as you can see, nothing but the noise. Oh wow, that's terrible conditions. But main thing is to use this minimalistic equipment today, even when the propagations are so poor, as seems to be today are. So this is a counterpoise, because when I'm using the vertical antenna, it is good to use the counterpoise, and this counterpoise is for two bands, for 10 meters and for 12 meters. Yeah, just to be sure that the vertical is working fine. I actually don't need it when maybe the good propagations are on the band, and in some specific conditions, under some specific conditions, maybe in emergency situation, I don't need to use the counterpoise, because I can touch the antenna on the bottom of the antenna. When I touch it, my body is actually a counterpoise. I say again, in emergency situations, but situations like now, in this case, when I'm not using any counterpoise, you can see that this is truly a minimalistic equipment. No cables, no microphone, anything else. Just this little radio with the backpack on the back side and this small antenna. This small antenna can tune from 12 to 10 meters. I see that there are some comments. Delta Lima 6 Alpha Bravo Foxtrot, hello Paul, 10 meters and also 15 is wide open in Germany. That is really interesting because here I don't hear anything there, almost. Thank you, Thomas. Delta Lima 6 Alpha Bravo Foxtrot, sporadic E. It is good that in Germany you have open sporadic E. There is nothing like sporadic E here in my location, sadly. KC2EIB, hello my friend Carmen, wishing all the best to you, the chat and the family. Have a super wonderful weekend. Thank you Carmen. Digital analog ham radio, try 6 meter. I heard signals indoors today on Malahide. Okay, I would like to test 6 meters, but there is no antenna for it, unfortunately. I have a mag loop, but okay, I need to place the antenna a little bit. To another place because we have pretty strong wind today. Okay, and I'm afraid that the wind will fall my antenna down. Okay, hello Pixabilly. Nice to meet you, Marco. Thanks for coming. Okay. That is the walkie-talkie style, guys. But I need some propagations. I need some E-sporadic, and there is nothing like this here. But this is my latest modification. Yeah, you can see this hole. I don't know if you have seen the last video from the modifications I have done on this radio, and with this modification, radio works really good. The sound is very nice. It is loud, clean. Yes, I can hear some little remnants of the noise, especially on the high frequency peaks in the modulation in the audio, on receive only, of course. But it is perfect now. So this new speaker works really good. I have here the main switch. The radio can be turned off with this knob here. Shut down, you can see that shut down. But the radio is still in like, the radio is still in like standby mode. There is a main switch here on this side, so I have to switch this radio off, and now I cannot turn the radio on anymore. So when I carry this radio in the bag, I have a bag here from the DJI mic. It's very nice bag. When I'm carrying this in the bag, sometimes something happens that that unwanted touch of this knob will turn the radio on accidentally, and this is what I don't want. Therefore I have here the main switch to prevent this. So okay. Oh, greetings to Arizona. I want it pay you for have it exactly the same. Well, This modification is not the easiest, especially when you need to mate this hole here. Yeah, I have to be very, very patient, and every quarter of millimeter counts. Some traffic on 27555. Well, I don't hear any traffic there. Do square speakers make square waves? I don't know what you mean. As square speakers. Oh, you mean like the speaker design is square, like square waves? No, I don't think so. Okay, I'm turning it on. Guys, my plan today is as follows. I'm going to try this radio on 20 meters, but with a different antenna, as I see that there is no much activity on 10 meters. So I probably will connect my magnetic loop antenna on it. And I will try 20 meter contact. If I will be not successful with this radio, I will switch to the ICOM 705, which I have right beside. So please be patient with me today, because the propagations are poor, and I will do my best. I can go with 10 watts with the ICOM 705, but this little radio I think produces maximum 5 watts, maybe 4 watts. Okay, but before I will change the antenna, I'm going to scan a little bit of 10 meter band. Okay, and greetings to Saudi Arabia, for you ever. Nice to meet you. Okay, I'm going to 10 meters. You don't see anything. It is difficult to show you this front panel when I have it in my hands, but I can scan it. Something's there. Guys, what if I stop on some frequency and we'll try to make few CQs there? Would you mind to test if you will hear me? There is a station from Russia on 10 meters on frequency 460. Okay, let me find some frequency. Let's say 410. No, 400. Guys, if you can input this frequency into the chat, it's 28400. I'm going to call CQ here, calling CQ here. What length your radial wires are? So my radials are quarter wave length. quarter wave length. So if is 10 meter divided 4, you can get the right length of your radials. And I have 2 radials here connected to one common point. So you can see one is 10 meters, second one is 12 meters. And here is the radial. Okay. Okay, one to the one side and second to the second side. Okay. Thank you guys. 28400 will be my calling frequency. This is how it is attached. I'm sure that you know this clamp. It is for a car battery charger. You can find this clamp on the AliExpress or maybe any other shops. Good. So 28400. Hello CQ, 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 Oscar, Mike Zero, Echo, Tango. And I'm not sure if I have a proper SWR. There is a tool inside. If I go to settings, oh gosh. If I go to settings, sorry. Fuck, no. It is vice versa, so. If you go to here, to hardware tests, and you can find SWR tune. Yeah, that's the right one, the tune SWR. Here you can push the button and you will see that the power is set to 50%. And here's the SWR, which is 10. Okay, 10, that's not good. And therefore I have to push it a little bit down. It is 10. It is 6. I'm making the antenna a little shorter. You can see 3.2, 2.8, 1.4, 1.3, 1.2, 1.1, 1.1. Okay, I think this is the peak. So you can clearly see the SWR 1.2 on this frequency. Okay, this is like an antenna analyzer. Antenna is really short. I don't know if you see that. No, I think you don't see that. You can see the end of the antenna on the video right there. So this is the length. So I think maybe 1 meter. I think 1 meter. So 28400. Hello CQ, CQ, CQ. This is Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. CQ, CQ, CQ10. CQ, CQ10. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. CQ10. Guys, I hope that you hear the sound okay. I have 2 microphones. One is here and the second is here. That is for my radio, and this one is for my voice. And let me know if the sound is okay from both sources. CQ, CQ10, 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 CQ on 28400, CQ 28400, CQ, 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 CQ. This is Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP. What? Thank you, John. I am 5x3 in the Netherlands. That is really interesting. Thank you. Hello, CQ, 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 CQ. This is Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP. CQ, CQ. I'm trying to keep my antenna straight up in a vertical position. So I am 5-3 in the Netherlands. That's really interesting. CQ, CQ, CQ. This is Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. CQ. I can also try 12 meters. CQ, 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 CQ. This is Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. CQ. Maybe if somebody from the Netherlands could be here. Yeah, I hear something. CQ, CQ, CQ. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP. Calling and listening. I can hear something. CQ, 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 CQ. This is Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP. CQ. Okay, thank you that audio is okay. John, if you are listening me or in the Netherlands SDR, what is the audio from this transceiver? Hello, CQ, CQ, CQ10, CQ, CQ10, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP. Okay, one more time. CQ10, 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 CQ, CQ, CQ10, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, CQ10. Oh, really? Audio is perfect, but the frequency is very busy. What you mean? Is that any other QSO on the frequency? CQ, CQ, CQ. This is Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP. CQ. Okay, just a tiny sound. 10 meters is really deaf here. Let me find some stations. No, absolutely. I am on 480 and still nothing. 500, still nothing. So I'm returning back to 400 to make a few more calls. Here is something. Hello, CQ. CQ, 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 CQ 10 meters, CQ 10 meters, CQ 10 meters, CQ 10, Oscar, Mike 0, Echo Tango. CQ 10 meters, CQ 10 meters, Oscar, Mike 0, Echo Tango. All right, nothing there. So, let me try 12 meters. I'm going to 12 meters. I can change the bands. You can see, double click. And 12 meters. And I'm going to 970. Very well. Okay, this is my frequency, what I'm going to use. It's 24970. But I need to tune the antenna. In this case, my antenna should be the longest, as long as possible. Okay. So. Okay, SWR is pretty high. It's 3.2. So maybe I should try to tune it again. Okay, let me see what I can get on this band. Yeah, it's getting better and better. 1.2, 1.1. Oh, perfect. Perfect match. 1.2 plus minus 1.1. So I am on the frequency 24970, 12 meters, guys. Somebody is tuning on the frequency, that is good to hear. Need to change the modulation. Hello, CQ, CQ, CQ. This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. CQ on 12 meters. So the frequency, guys, 24970. CQ, CQ, CQ 12 meters. CQ 12 meters. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, CQ 12 meters. CQ 12 meters, CQ 12 meters, CQ 12 meters. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, QRP. 5 and 6 on 12 meters? Really? Wow. I'm 5 and 6. Again. Go ahead. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. I am 5-6 in the Netherlands. Incredible. Italy Uniform 1, Italy Uniform 1, Italy Uniform 1, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP, do you copy? Guys, Okay, okay, very, very little. Thank you, thank you. I copy also very, very weak. Also very, very weak. No good propagations. No good propagations. Over. But he copied me in Italy. Okay, the Italian station, Italy station. I'm sorry to say, but the signal is very weak. The signal is very weak. I'm sorry. There is a deep QSB, 73. Bye bye. Yes, I can add a little bit more audio. Yes, but you must tell me how much. I can. I don't want to overload this audio. Is it better? This new speaker is incredible. Hello CQ, 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 CQ. This is Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, CQ. 4x5 Lima Lima, 4x5 Lima Lima. Do you copy? Wow. 4x5 Lima Lima, 4x5 Lima Lima. Weak signal, weak signal. Could you please repeat again? Please repeat again. Over. Please repeat again my report. What is my report? What is my report? Over. What? Okay, okay. 5 and 3. Thank you for 5 and 3. You're 5-1, 51, 5-1, 51. QSL. Okay, thank you, thank you. Good luck. 7-3. Shalom. Yes. Yes. Wow, guys, this is contact 5 and 3 to Israel. Incredible. Hello CQ, CQ, CQ. This is Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. CQ. CQ, 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 Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, CQ. CQ 12 meters, CQ 12 meters, CQ on 24,970. CQ on 24,970, 24,970. Calling CQ, this is Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. This is really awesome. Guys, this is just a proof that if you are going somewhere to the woods, to the forest, to hiking or to walk, and actually you don't need a big antenna sometimes, especially when are good propagations on the radio. As you can see, it is quite enough if you are using this kind of vertical antenna sometimes. And if 10 meter and 12 meters is open, you don't need anything else, just a little radio like this and this small antenna. And you can sit on the ground almost like I am, so the height of the antenna is not even 1 meter from the ground. This is really interesting. I'm really shocked that I'm able to manage the QSO from Central Europe to Israel. This is really amazing. And also to Italy. Yes, hello, Genoa, India Uniform 1 Romeo Zulu X-ray. Your signal was very weak, but thanks that you have heard me. Very good, thank you. Oh, thank you, I'm in the cluster. Thank you, John. Hello, CQ, CQ on 12 meters, CQ on 12 meters, CQ 12 meters, CQ, CQ, CQ 12 meters, Oscar, Mike 0, Echo Tango, Oscar, Mike 0, Echo Tango, CQ 12 meters. Okay, let's see. CQ 12 meters, CQ 12 meters, CQ 12 meters, Oscar, Mike 0, Echo Tango. Contact to Israel from my chair. Incredible. Hello CQ, CQ 12 meters, CQ 12 meters, CQ 12 meters. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. CQ 12 meters, CQ 12 meters. This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. I need more people to be on the frequency. This is an experiment, guys. More or less, it is an experiment. Yeah, Genoa. It is 400 kilometers straight. Yeah, that is correct. But we have terrible propagations now. Thank you, John. Still copy me on 5.3. Thank you so much for the report. Hello, CQ on 12 meters. CQ on 12 meters on 24,970. CQ on 24,970. This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango listening. CQ, this is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, CQ 12 meters. CQ on 12 meters, CQ 12 meters, CQ 12 meters, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, CQ 12 meters. This is it. All right, maybe it's time to go to lower bands. And therefore, I'm disconnecting my super small portable whip antenna. And I'm going to connect this radio to the magnetic loop antenna. And therefore I'm going to 20 meters. But before I do that, I will try to make a few calls here on the mag loop antenna on the same frequency. So this is the same frequency, 24,970. But this time on the magnetic loop, I'm going to tune it first. I need to find a noise peak. There is very minimal noise peak because of zero noise here in this garden. Therefore, I have to go to the hardware tests, tune SWR, and I'm going to find, yeah, here it is, 1.4. This is the best what I can get here in these conditions. 1.5 on the magnetic loop. So, and the same frequency, 24970. Okay, let's try on the mag loop antenna. You can see the antenna up there. It is heading west and east. Hello CQ, CQ, CQ. This is Oscar, Mexico Zero, Echo Tango. This is Oscar, Mexico Zero, Echo Tango. CQ, CQ. This is Oscar, Mexico Zero, Echo Tango on the magnetic loop antenna, QRP station. Over. Let's see. CQ, CQ on 12, CQ on 12, CQ on 12. This is Oscar, Mexico Zero, Echo Tango, QRP. Over. CQ, CQ, CQ on 12 meters, CQ on 12 meters. Oscar, Mike Zero, Echo Tango, QRP. CQ on 12 meters, CQ 12 meters, CQ 12 meters. Oscar, Mike Zero, Echo Tango, QRP. 5 and 5.
November, Kilo, Quebec.
Again, Golf 3.
Quebec, over.
QRZ again, your call sign.
George 3, November, Kilo, Quebec.
George 3, November, Kilo, Quebec. Oscar Mike Zero, Echo Tango. Good afternoon, my name is Paul, and your signal report in my next over. Go ahead.
Roger. Good afternoon, Paul, G3MKQ. Yes, your signal report is 3x3, 4x4 at best. 3x3, 4x4 at best. A lot of QSP. Oscar Zero, Echo Tango, G3MKQ.
QSL 3x4, 4x3, I think you said. Your signal report is 5 and 4, I guess. 5 and 4, 5 and 4, 54, 5 and 4, QSB, over.
Roger, yes, QSB. That signal's quite weak. Signal's just on the edge of audibility, yes. 3x3, 4x4. 3x3, 4x4. 73's, good evening. Oscar Mike Zero, Echo Tango, 3.
Roger. Thank you so much. By the way, what is your name? Your name, over.
Name is Clive. Canada, Italy, Victoria, England, Clive.
Okay, Roger, Clive. Thank you, Clive, for this QRP contact. I'm currently running maybe 3 whiskey. 1, 2, 3 whiskey. 1, 2, 3, 3 whiskey. Over.
Roger. Yes, quite low power. Good luck, 73. Have a good evening. Bye-bye.
Yes, many thanks. 73. Have a good evening. Bye-bye. This is really awesome. Actually, with this small equipment, I can have a QSO over 1,000 kilometers. This is crazy. With only 3 watts, maybe 4, I don't know. Wow. Hello CQ. This is Oscar Mike Zero, Echo Tango. Oscar Mike Zero, Echo Tango. CQ 12 meters on 24970. 24970. Over. CQ 12 meters. CQ 12 meters. Oscar Mike Zero, Echo Tango, calling and listening. I can rotate the radio like this also. And I have I have it like a microphone, you can see. Ooh. I can talk to it like a mic with a cable. This is one option. Hello CQ, 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 CQ. This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango calling CQ. Yeah, there is the antenna right over me. You can see the antenna. Hello CQ, 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 CQ. This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango on 12 meters. CQ, CQ. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango on 2 meters, 12 meters. Calling and listening. All right. So, 2, maybe 3 successful contacts with 3 watts. 2 of them on a vertical portable antenna. You can buy this antenna on the AliExpress for a coffee. It's maybe 6, maybe 7 euros only. And 1 contact on the magnetic loop antenna. And therefore, I'm going to change the band. As I can see that 12 meters is not really open. I'm going to tune the antenna to 20 meters or maybe 15. Should I try 15? Yeah, I think so. So let's go to 15 meters. Okay, almost there. Yep, I got it. Something is wrong with the meter, I think. Well, I'm going to 17 meters. Okay, going to 17, and the frequency will be 113. My obvious frequency for 17, 113. Okay. This is the SWR here, 1.1. Amazing. So let me try here. And that's the frequency, 8.113. Hey, greetings to California. No, must is not included. with the magnetic loop. This is only the magnetic loop. Okay, let's try. Oh, there is somebody. Is whistling there. Hello CQ is the frequency in use. This is Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. CQ, 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 Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP, CQ 17 meters. CQ on 17, CQ on 17, CQ. This is Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP. Radio Whiskey, again, Radio Whiskey. Hello CQ, CQ, CQ 17, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP.
Mike Zero Sugar Radio Whiskey Try.
Mike Zero Sugar Radio Whiskey, go ahead. Thank you, John, for 5 and 2 in the Netherlands.
Okay, you're very much on the noise level there, but I can just hear you very, very slightly in the background with your setup there. From Mike Zero Sugar Radio Whiskey.
Okay, thank you. You're 5 and 3, 5 and 3, 5, 3, 53, over. You're 5 and 3. You're 5 and 3, 53, 5, 3, over.
Okay, good. 5 and 3, but you're very much on the noise level here.
Indeed.
In the background, just on the noise level, sir.
Roger, Roger. Yes, indeed, indeed. Very weak, but readable. You are readable. Thank you, and 7-3. Thank you, and 7-3, over.
Okay, 7-3, all the best with the QRP setup, and I'm listening to you on YouTube as well at the moment. All the best from Mike Zero Sugar Radio Whiskey. Bye-bye.
Mike Zero Sugar Radio Whiskey, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango returning. Thank you for watching the live stream, and 73. Have a good evening. He did copy me, so that's good. I was light. CQ 17, CQ 17, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango on 17 meters on frequency 18113, calling and listening. Ouch. CQ, this is Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango listening. Thank you, John, for the cluster. CQ, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango listening. And the next stop will be on 20 meters. Hopefully the 20 meters will be open. CQ, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango listening. Italy Tango 9 Yankee Alpha Foxtrot, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP. You are 5 and 5, 55, 53, 55, over. No. He hears me only on the internet, I think. I'm sorry, but no copy. I don't copy you, my friend. 73. CQ, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP, CQ. Hello, Exodus from Philippines. A midnight over there. Would be fantastic if you could hear me with my QRP setup. CQ, CQ, CQ. This is Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Calling CQ and listening. Sam W2195. It was you. I made a QSO right now with. Thank you. Thank you for coming. Maybe 20 meters will be better in a moment, in a while. CQ, 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 CQ17, CQ17, CQ on 18113, CQ on 18113. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango listening. Okay, a few more CQs and then 20 meters. CQ, 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 CQ17, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, CQ17. CQ17, CQ17, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, CQ17. Just a quick scan. Somebody's on 130. Well, 17 meters is literally dead. It is literally dead. Okay, something here. Something is.
Mike India 0, Charlie Bravo Hotel. Mike India 0, Charlie Bravo Hotel. CQ safe side.
A QRP station. Let's try. A QRP station.
CQ safe side. Mike India 0, Charlie Bravo Hotel. Mike India 0.
So one more time on 113. Okay. CQ, 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 CQ17, CQ17, CQ17. Oscar Mexico 0 Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mexico 0 Echo Tango QRP. CQ17, over. CQ, CQ17, CQ17, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. Okay, let's go to 12 to 20. Italy Tango 9 Yankee Alpha Foxtrot, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. Do you copy? Maybe over YouTube?
I'm sorry, I copy you by the YouTube, not directly, not verified the copy, okay, only by live YouTube, okay, my friend, over.
Okay, I rotated my antenna to Italy. What is my signal? Do you copy? Over. Italy Tango 9, what is my signal now? What is my signal?
Negative, Paul, I'm not copy you, okay, I'm copy you only.
Okay, your signal now is very good. You are 55, you are 5 and 5, 55, over. There is a delay.
Roger, Roger, copy 5M5, but I don't copy you by the radio, my friend. Thank you very much, Paul. Okay, I hope to copy you soon with a better propagation condition. 73 for now.
Okay, thank you, and 73, my friend. Ciao, buona fortuna. CQ on 17, CQ on 17, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, CQ on 17. I found that more height of the loop doesn't mean a better signal. I don't know why. It doesn't make sense, but when I was trying that in one of my live streams, there was not really visible effect on the signal. That is interesting, and I don't understand why is that so. Hello CQ on 17, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Okay, let's go to 20 meters. Let me find the band on the loop. And FT8 is the very good to listen. And looking for a band. Yeah, I found the band. Now I just need to tune the frequency precisely.
C'est très correct, hein, c'est très intelligible, ça manque.
There are some signals. That is much better here.
Kilo Bus 5 Sugar Radio Foxtrot returning from business Husseini.
Beautiful signals are here on 20 meters.
5x5 over there in West Malaysia. While you're 5x8 to 5x9.
Let me see if I'm able to hear the West Malaysia.
Quite well here today, Hussein. Yeah, the band is not brilliant, but anyway, something is coming through from Asia. And yeah, you're right. We have spoken before on 2024. So it's a great pleasure to have you again in the lab and here on 20 meters. Very fine. Running here about 500 watts into a mono bender antenna by the Hexbeam, and the transceiver is an ICOM IC7800. So back to you, Hussein, and thanks much indeed for coming back. 9 Mexico 2 Hotel United Sierra from Italy, Kilo 5 Sugar Radio, Florida. Roger?
Yeah, I can hear the station, but very weak. Pretty deep in the noise. From West Malaysia.
A lot of visitors right now here on the island. So yeah, we call it here. That's a long weekend. Lima Zulu / Sugar 59 Zulu. Sugar Papa 4 Echo Lima November 59. Thank you, QMX. Sierra Query Lima Uniform Papa 59. Q8, Lima Uniform Papa 509.
Oh, this is strong.
Thank you, QRZ.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP.
Sierra Papa 2 Echo Tango Mike 509.
Ah, he's yelling.
Thank you, Lima Zulu / Sugar 59, Zulu Zulu.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP.
Lima Zulu / Sugar 59, Zulu Zulu.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP.
Sierra Queen 9, Alpha Papa Delta 509. Thank you, Lima Zulu / Sugar 59, Zulu Zulu.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango.
Who is the Echo Alpha station?
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango.
Somebody's tuning a frequency. Echo Alpha 3 again, please.
Air temperature, we have
Echo Alpha 3, India, Victor Juliet
26
509.
degrees maybe now.
Thank you, Lima Zulu / Sugar 59, Zulu Zulu.
Oscar Mexico 0 Echo Tango.
Who is the Oscar Mike 0?
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP 509.
You're 59 plus, thank you, 73.
Thank you, QRZ.
I got him.
Is pitch 3W, pitch 3.
All right. Lima Zulu station from Bulgaria. Okay, let me find some clear frequency. Guys, if I could ask you, could you please find the clear frequency and I will tune this radio and the antenna for the frequency. And I'm waiting for the frequency. Yeah, 20 meters is widely open now. So that's really good band. But as you can see, I don't even have to turn my bulky IC705. Let's compare it. The size of both radios. Okay. So you can see the size of both radios. And in some emergency situations, you can use also this tiny one. I'm on 14,175. Let's go to 175. There is kind of noise there. Somebody is very close. This is not clear frequency. I'm going somewhere to the upper edge of 20 meters. All right, let's try this frequency. Or 14,320. Okay, John, let's go to 320. Frequency 14,320. Sierra Yankee is there. This is the frequency where I'm going to work 28 or 288, 14, 288. Okay. One 131 and frequency 288. Let's have some fun. Hello CQ, is the frequency in use? CQ20, 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 this is QRP station, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. CQ20, 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 Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. The static noise from the thunderstorm. CQ20, 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 Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, CQ20. CQ20, 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 Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, 14288. I'm calling CQ on 14288. CQ on 14288. This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. CQ 14288. CQ on 14288. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. CQ on 14288. CQ on 14288. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, I am Italy Tango 9 Yankee Alpha Foxtrot, do you copy?
Italy Tango 9 Yankee Alpha Foxtrot, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, you are 5757.
Paul, I have other station near this frequency. Okay, but I can hear your modulation. Okay, signal is very, very weak, but I receive you. Okay, I receive you small, but I receive you now on 20. Okay, back to you, over.
Okay, QSL, and what is my signal report now? What is my signal now, over? I rotated the antenna. What is my signal? What is my signal now? What is my report?
Paul, repeat again, please.
Okay, what is my report? What is my signal now? What is my report? What is my signal now? Over?
Your report is in this moment radio 1, signal 1. You are in the noise, and I have another station here near the frequency, a little bit up, a little bit down, but your modulation and your voice is audible here, over.
Okay, Roger. Thank you for the second attempt, and wish you 73 and have a good evening.
Okay, Paul, okay, no problem at all. Okay, the propagation is not very fine, but I can hear you here on 2073, my friend. Enjoy your QRP. Ciao, 73.
Okay, thank you, 73. QRZ, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, CQ20, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango on 14288, over. CQ, this is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, QRP. CQ, 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 CQ. This is Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Calling CQ, CQ and listening. The Hexbeam in the background. CQ, CQ on 20. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP. All right, let me connect the XNO battery and IC705 on frequency 14288. My repaired radio. Maybe you have noticed in my previous video that I had a little problem. Actually, not a little problem. I'm going to turn the radio off here and also here. Now is the radio completely dead. So let me go to the ICOM radio and connect it to the XNO battery to get maximum power at 10 watts. It is my mag loop, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. If you go to my website, oscarmike0echotango.com, you will find more informations about this mag loop for ham heads by Alpha India 4 November Whiskey. The one okay. Good afternoon, Pan Mlecko. Greetings to Poland. Okay. It's a little dusty. So I have connected this XNO battery, so I should have 10 watts. And the mag loop antenna attached. Hello CQ, CQ, CQ. This is Oscar Mexico Zero Echo Tango. This is Oscar Mexico Zero Echo Tango. Oscar Mexico Zero Echo Tango. CQ on 20 meters. Currently, I can ship the antenna to the United States, but only via the FedEx. It's not very cheap, 65 euros I think shipping. It's pretty a lot, but this is the only option what I have. Hello CQ, CQ, CQ. This is Oscar Mexico Zero Echo Tango. Oscar Mexico Zero Echo Tango. CQ. Oh. What's the frequency? Ah, I lost the frequency. I found this frequency better for SWR. But thank you, Bartos. CQ, CQ, CQ. This is Oscar Mexico 0 Echo Tango. Oscar Mexico 0 Echo Tango. Oscar Mexico 0 Echo Tango. Calling CQ. CQ, 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 CQ 20 meters. CQ, CQ, CQ 20 meters. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. CQ on 20 meters. CQ20, CQ20, CQ20. This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, 20 meters. CQ, CQ, CQ 20 meters. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, CQ20. CQ, CQ20, CQ20, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, CQ20. CQ, CQ20, CQ, CQ20, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, CQ20. CQ, CQ20, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, 20 meters.
Oscar Hotel 3 Zulu Mike.
Oscar Hotel 3 Zulu Mike. Very nice signal. You are 59, over.
Roger, you are 5x3, 5x3 here in Finland, over.
Okay, thank you for the 5x3. Thank you for 5x3. You are the 5x9. Beautiful signal. My name is Paul, Papa Alpha Uniform Lima, QSL.
Roger, Paul. My name is Jarmo, Juliet Alpha Radio Mike, Oscar.
Okay, thank you, Jarmos, for a 5 and 3 signal. I'm running 10 whiskey only, 10 watts. 10 whiskey, 10 watts, and the magnetic loop antenna, over.
Roger. I'm using here in the NFET antenna and about 500 whiskeys, over.
Okay, thank you. 500 watts, you're doing great. Your signal is excellent. Thank you for QSO and 73. Greetings to Finland, over.
Roger, 4. Thank you, 73. Bye-bye.
Okay, thank you. By the way, is my signal little improved now, over?
It is solid S3 now.
Okay, I rotated my magnetic loop antenna to your direction. Thank you for QSO again and 73.
Okay, thank you. 73 and bye-bye.
Bye-bye, good luck. QRZ, CQ20, Oscar, Mike 0, Echo Tango. CQ, Oscar, Mike 0, Echo Tango.
Yes, all right, Paul, I can copy you. This is Lima Bravo 1 in November Hotel. Hello, and how are you?
Hello, Ariel, Lima Bravo 1, November Hotel, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. I'm fine. I'm having fun here in the garden in a beautiful weather. We have 26, 25 degrees, sunshine, clear sky, so a little wind here. How are you and what's my signal there? You're 59 plus 10, Ariel, QSL.
I can't copy you, very weak, but take care because there is opening on 6 meters. There is opening on 6 meters, and I think you have 6 meters on your radio there, Paul. Try 6 meters. It's a very good opening there right now. That was just a suggestion for you. Okay, over to you, Paul. Over.
Okay, I can go for my second magnetic loop, which is also for 6 meter, and we can try to be on 6 meter as well, but not with this magnetic loop what I have. 73 Ariel, thank you for QSO. 73, bye bye.
Okay, Paul, I heard you only on your channel now because there was so much QMM here. I have many stations on your frequency here, so I have very difficult to listen to you on my own radio. But thank you anyway. I will see you later on there. Bye bye for now. 73 Paul.
Okay, thank you. Good luck, 73.
73, yes.
QRZ, anybody else on the frequency? Guys, I'm going for my second magnetic loop, an experimental magnetic loop, which is for 10 to 6 meters. I can try to work on 6 meter as well. I don't believe that I will be able to make a QSO, but why not? So please give me a minute. I need to go back home to get the antenna, to grab the antenna and come back here. I will leave the receiver turned on this frequency for a while, so you can hear yourself if you are readable here in this location. Until then, stand by, hold on, and I'm going for my 6 meter antenna.
Golf Bond Romeo Sierra. Delta Golf Bond Romeo Sierra.
Okay, I'm back with my antenna, but I need to find the space on my super tiny desk. The good thing is that this antenna is really small. Hold on.
Delta Golf Bond Romeo Sierra.
Cool. Yeah, you can see that the noise is not so strong anymore with this small antenna. This is for 10 meter and 6 meter bands. It is actually the same system I have for the regular antenna, the same tuning unit, just this main loop is smaller and also the coupling loop is smaller, but everything else is pretty the same. It's just a smaller version of my a regular magnetic loop, which is 1 meter in diameter. Okay, this is just an experiment, and I'm mostly using it for receive. When I'm testing some receivers and so forth. Okay, let's try 6 meters, and we'll see if this band is really open also here. Let's try to find a noise peak. Yep, here is the noise peak. Strange noise there. It's coming from the radio because the antenna is very close to my radio. Maybe it's coming from the screen.
Go Alpha, QSL.
Really? There is some station. But this noise, the noise is annoying.
Thank you very much for the QSO at 73. Alpha 7, Quebec, India, Alpha. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP.
November Papa 5 and 9, Juliet Oscar 29, Tango Alpha, QSL. Can I have the locator again?
Okay, I'm going to put this antenna on the ground.
Roger, 83 India Delta. My call is Lima Alpha 7, Quebec, India Alpha, QSL.
I don't know if this is a good idea,
73, this is Lima Alpha 7, Quebec, India Alpha, QSL.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango.
Victor call.
No, this is not low battery. This means that the radio...
I get Victoria, Germany every time, but please call again.
This means that the radio runs on the battery now, external battery. Yeah, that's right. The external battery is plugged in.
Okay, Delta Golf 5, Victor Golf. This is Lima Alpha 7, Quebec, India Alpha. You are 5 by 5 in Juliet Oscar 29 Tango Alpha, QSL. Yeah, my call is Lima Alpha number 7, Quebec, India Alpha. Lima Alpha 7, Quebec, India Alpha. And my locator is Juliet Oscar 29 Tango Alpha. JO29 Tango Alpha, QSL. Okay, I think I lost you there. Thanks for the QSO and 73.
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP.
Sugar Papa 6 again.
All right, that's not me. Yeah, the noise from the
Victor,
screen.
thank you very much for the 5 and 9. You're also 59 into Juliet Oscar 29 Tango Alpha. Thank you very much. You are 59.6 and QSL. All the best. This is Lima Alpha 7, Quebec, India Alpha.
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango.
Who's it? Charlie Papa Delta?
I think this guy has pretty much pile up there.
Okay, Oscar Kilo 2, Charlie Papa Delta. Is that a Roger? Okay, you are 5 by 7, 57 in here in Juliet Oscar 29 Tango Alpha. QSL. Roger. Thank you very much for the QSO and 73.
Oscar Mexico Zero, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango.
Who's the Florida Echo? Yankee Uniform 1, Florida Echo, thank you very much. You are 5 by 7, 57 in Juliet, Oscar 9 Tango Alpha, QSL.
I like this tripod, which is from Chameleon.
QSL, and now you are 5 and 9 when I turned my antenna more your direction. Thank you very much for the QSO and 73.
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP.
Sugar Papa 9 Echo Papa Whiskey 5 and 9.
Oh, he's strong now. This is my setup for 6 meters HI.
Roger. Thank you, 73.
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP.
Who's the Echo Tango?
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. Thank you very much. You are 5 and 5. 55 in Juliet Oscar 29 Tango Alpha. QSL.
Okay, Roger. Thank you for 5-5. You are 5-9, 59, 59 plus, and Kilo November 08 Victor Tango QSL.
I need the first 2 letters in the locator, please.
A Kilo November 08 Victor Tango.
Roger, KN08. Thank you very much, and 73 from North. What's your power, by the way?
Oh, only 10 watts, and a few centimeters small antenna over, magnetic loop.
Roger, very impressive. Thank you very much for the QSO and 73.
All right, thank you, 73.
Sugar Queen 3, Delta Queen 59 and Juliet Oscar 29, Tango Alpha.
Amazing. What a joy.
Roger, thank you very much, and 73.
Famous FT8.
I get a lot of stations calling on top of you. Number 3, Sugar November only, please. Okay, Oscar Kilowatt 3, Sierra November. Thank you very much. You are 5 by 6, and the locator here is Juliet Oscar 29 Tango Alpha.
Okay, let me park on some frequency, and if you can hear me, please respond. Okay. Okay, let's try 200, 50, 200, okay? I need to check the antenna first. There is something very close to me.
Very big QRP. This is to copy your last over.
So I rather go to 195. FM only, no problem. Let's go to the FM frequency. I think 50.510. I think. Please correct me if I'm wrong, but the FM is here. So we can try FM, why not? I think many guys are using FM. Okay. Okay, I'm on FM. Oh, SWR is too high here. Hello CQ, CQ 6 meter band, CQ 6 meter band, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, CQ 6 meter on FM. Okay, I'm curious. I'm really curious. CQ on FM, CQ on FM. This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, CQ on FM. No worries, we can try 50.510. If anybody is able to give me the answer or reply. CQ, this is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, CQ 6 meter. CQ 6 meter FM, CQ 6 meter FM, CQ 6 meter FM. This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Okay, you can't hear me in the Netherlands. Maybe somebody from North Europe. FM is not very common on 6 meters, but many Chinese radios came up with FM modulation on 6 meter, like Rattle RT 950 Pro or Quansheng TK11. Both radios are also transmitting on 6 meters FM. CQ on FM, CQ on FM on 6 meters, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Yeah, you can actually enjoy the birds singing with squelch on. Hello CQ, this is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, CQ 6. CQ 6, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, CQ 6 meter on FM. CQ 6 meter, CQ 6 meter band, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, CQ 6 meter band, CQ 6 meter FM. This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango listening. Okay, nothing there. So maybe the only SSB could work. Okay. CQ 6, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango FM, CQ 6. CQ 6, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango on FM. Yep, nothing there. So I'm going back to the single sideband. Galveston County, Mike. Thank you. Thank you for your donation. $10. Here in the USA, the 6 meter calling frequency is 52525. Thank you for info. But I think that there is no propagations now to the United States. And therefore I'm returning back to the single sideband and the other frequencies for it. Yeah, the noise you can hear is coming from the screen of the IC705. You can see that if I close my finger. So the antenna is very close to this screen, and it's picking up this noise from the screen. Okay, I'm going to tune the antenna here. Is the frequency in use? CQ, 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 CQ 6 meter, CQ 6 meter, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, CQ 6. CQ 6, CQ 6, CQ 6, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, CQ 6. CQ6, CQ6, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, CQ6. There is a strong station close to me. I think it's the same guy I worked before from Norway.
Frequency is in use.
Ah. Oh, what I just did.
Tango 9, Papa Hotel Uniform Magic Band. Italy Tokyo 9, Papa Hotel Uniform Magic Band.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, QRP.
Italy Tango 9, Papa Hotel Uniform, Italy Tokyo 9, Papa Hotel Uniform.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, QRP.
Uniform Magic Band.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, QRP.
India Tango 9, Papa Hotel Uniform, Indiana Tokyo 9, Papa Hotel Uniform Magic Band.
Oscar Mexico 0 Echo Tango.
Italy Tango 9, Papa Hotel Uniform Magic Band.
You do not copy me.
Papa Lima, Papa Lima.
Bravo Yankee Romeo.
No work. Please repeat again your call. Hotel America, 7 Hotel America, 7 thank you. Your report is 1550, Juliet Mike, 77 North Call Radio. Hotel Alpha, 7 Papa Lima, back to you.
Echo Uniform, again.
Okay, I thought I have the CB bands in the memories, but I don't have it. This is PT.
I'm running here TS990 and a vertical antenna, running about 400 watts. So your nice signal, nice audio there. Yeah, the weather was about 18 degrees here. 18 degrees and a nice sunny day for a change. So nice to work you there for the first time. From Echo India 4 Charlie November, over.
Bravo Whiskey.
Thank you very much, Charlie Copy.
Continue the meter.
Mark 5, Romeo Charlie, CQ South America. Charlie Alpha 4, repeat.
Charlie Alpha.
Okay, Charlie Alpha 4, Mike Whiskey, thank you. Good afternoon, 5555, my name Roman QSL. CQ.
Hello CQ, is the frequency in use? Is this frequency in use? This is Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. CQ10, CQ10 meters, CQ10, CQ10 meters, CQ10, CQ10 meters, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. CQ10, CQ10, CQ10 meters, CQ10, CQ10, CQ10 meters, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. CQ10, CQ10, CQ10 meters, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Alright, no copy in 10 meters. CQ10, CQ10, CQ10 meters, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. CQ10, 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 Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, CQ10. CQ, CQ10, CQ, CQ10, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, CQ10. CQ10, CQ, CQ10, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, CQ10. CQ10, CQ10, CQ, CQ10, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, CQ10. CQ10, 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 Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, CQ10. Okay, don't copy in UK on 10 meters. Thank you. CQ10, 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 Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, CQ10. CQ10, 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 Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, CQ10. Yes, I changed the antenna, but for the smaller one, I think this is more optimized for 10 meters. CQ10, 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 this is Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. CQ10, CQ10, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Okay, let's see what is here. Hola, hola, Coca-Cola. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is the small mag loop and this is the big mag loop. So let me compare. Yeah, definitely the bigger antenna works better on receive.
Security Charlie Tango 3754 London, Security standing by.
173 Sugar Delta 101 calling secure. Calling Security X secure. Hello Security X. Hello Secure Delta 11 meter band calling Security X. 11 Security X. I am 3 Victoria International 01. Constatation séquence 14 Fox Echo 57 appel Security X. 3 Victory 05 c'est parti. Calling the listen 27 550 550 please.
You can hear the guy on 550 from Brazil.
3 Victoria International 01. I am 3 Victory 301 calling the standby QSN.
This guy is from Brazil. Oh guys, what a chaos there.
Appel en fréquence, appel en toute direction 14, Papa.
Hello CQ, CQ, CQ. This is 330 Alpha Sierra 012 from Slovakia. This is 330 Alpha Sierra 012 from Slovakia. Anybody copy? FMDX HI. CQ, 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 CQ 11 meters, CQ 11 meters, CQ 11 meters, 330 division, Alpha Sierra 012, 330 Alpha Sierra 012, CQ 11 meters. Single side bands. Hello CQ, 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 CQ 11 meters, CQ, CQ, CQ 11 meters, CQ, CQ, CQ 11 meters. This is 330 Alpha Sierra 012, 330 Alpha Sierra 012, CQ on 11 meters. CQ, CQ on 11 meters, CQ on 11 meters. This is 330 Alpha Sierra 012. Anybody copy? Over. No joy here on CB band. CQ, CQ on 11, CQ on 11 meters. This is 330 Alpha Sierra 012 calling and listening.
Radio Arabello, jawohl. Alpha Sierra hier. Anton am Mikrofon. Radio Arabello.
I'm currently receiving the signals on this mag loop, on the bigger one. It has a better gain for 10 meters.
Comunque io non lo sento. Poi dite che è qua che manda la portante, io non lo sento. Fare.
conta de fazer, quem está dando conta de fazer suporte ou consertar a rádio, uma coisa ou outra. Ele não...
Het lijkt al dat er ook wagens achter hun staan. Dus, want ik heb er iemand gezien. Ik ga hem niet namen noemen. Maar het...
Is that the
meer
Netherlands?
betalen als het overdekt is.
Ik denk het wel, Benny, want gewoonlijk, ja, de meeste hebben buiten ook een remork bij, ja. Er zijn veel die ook een remork bij hebben en je moet...
Sounds like the Netherlands. Dutch. Hello CQ, CQ, CQ. This is 330 Alpha Sierra 012. CQ, CQ on 11 meters. CQ on 11 meters. This is 330 Alpha Sierra 012 calling and listening. CQ, CQ, CQ on the CB band. CQ on 11 meters. This is 330 Alpha Sierra 012 on the CB band. Over. Would be crazy if I've got some answer here. CQ, 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 CQ on the CB band, CQ on 11 meters. I am 330 Alpha Sierra 012. 330 Alpha Sierra 012, CQ. CQ, CQ, this is 330 Alpha Sierra 012. I'm 10 watts. And that should be the UK CB band up there.
Riuscite, modifiche riuscite. Luca, ciao. 73 cordiale, un abbraccio di cuore, uno whisky. Ciao.
But no signals coming from the UK. All right. 29. Where's the repeater? I don't remember the frequency. The New York repeater, or the ding dong repeater. Could you tell me the frequency? I really forgot the frequency. Yes, Real Sea Fishing. That is right. That's the 40 CB channels for the UK on the upper portion of 27 megahertz band.
Por favor, QSL.
Yes, FM only in the UK. But I have heard many stations from UK on single sideband up there. Maybe it's not legal.
Charlie Delta 4, Charlie Juliet Kilo. Buenos días, buenas tardes, Christian. 9-2 signal in Bélgica, Cochery.
¿Qué hora es?
Questi
QRX, my friend. QRZ, this is Romeo November 3, Queen Bravo Golf.
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango.
CQ, CQDX. CQ David X3, CQDX. CQ David X3 outside Europe. Romeo November 3, Quebec Bravo Golf. Radio November 3, Queen Bravo Germany. Please DX station and standing by.
A QRP station, please.
Sierra Lima, question mark, please. Sierra Lima, please station. Sierra Lima.
He's looking for the DX.
Kilo Whiskey, Papa Romeo 7, Kilo Whiskey.
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Oh.
CQ 10, CQ. Papa Radio 7, Kilo Whiskey. Papa Radio 7, Kilo Whiskey.
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP.
Papa Radio 7, Kilo Whiskey. Papa Radio 7, Kilo Whiskey. CQ10.
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP.
CQ10, CQ10.
I have two high SWR here.
Radio 7, Kilo Whiskey.
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP.
7, Kilo Whiskey. Papa Romeo 7, Kilo Whiskey.
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP.
QRP, please again.
What? Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP.
Roger. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Papa Romeo 7, Kilo Whiskey. Back to you.
Okay, Papa Romeo 7 Kilo Whiskey. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP. I'm working with 10 whiskey, 10 watts, and your signal is 5 and 7. 5 and 7 in Slovakia, Central Europe. Over.
Thank you, my friend, to reply my call.
He's 5-3 now.
First moment was very nice to copy you, but in second time it was oscillating with propagation. He posted to you 5x4, 5x3, oscillating with propagation. Thank you very much for your contact, my friend. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, Papa Romeo 7, Kilo Whiskey.
Okay, Papa Romeo 7 Kilo Whiskey, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. I am working with magnetic loop antenna, and only 10 watts, only 10 whiskey, 10 watts. Thank you for the DX contact to Brazil. I wish you good luck and 7-3, over.
Roger, operating with 10 watts. Okay, my friend, thank you very much. I didn't copy your name. My name is Louis. What's your name, my friend? Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, Papa Romeo 7, Kilo Whiskey.
Okay, Louis, my name is Paul, Papa Alpha Uniform Lima, Papa Alpha Uniform Lima, and you are in my live stream, over.
Roger. Oh, thank you, my friend, for your contact. Hope to find you again in the frequency. I'm operating here with Tango Sierra 440. It's a Chemotive transceiver and Mox antenna pointed to Europe. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, Papa Romeo 7, Kilo Whiskey.
Okay, you can find me on YouTube. You can find me on YouTube. Just put my call sign in YouTube. Put my call sign in YouTube and you will find my live stream, okay? And I am working with magnetic loop, 1 meter small antenna and the ICOM 705. ICOM 705, 10 watts. I am very happy for the DX contact, over. He lost me.
Echo Tango, Papa Romeo 7, Kilo Whiskey, bye-bye.
Good luck and 73, obrigado, bye-bye. Nah. What a surprise, guys, what a surprise. I just have the DX contact.
Radio setting, Alpha off.
This is the real DX contact to Brazil on 10 meters. This is amazing. This is really amazing. So let me show you my current setup. I think this is the great finish of this live stream. I am live streaming this video for more than 2 hours, guys. This is not very usual. So you can see the antennas in behind me. So this is my setup. So actually I am using 2 magnetic lubus antenna. Yes, thank you, Arild, for congratulations. This is really nice to have this beautiful DX contact to Brazil on 10 meters from a Maglub and 10 watts power. So this is this current setup. I worked today, chilling here in the garden and having fun on the radio waves. And the radio, what I like so much now is this new QRP radio transceiver, the QRP Labs, with all modifications. There is a video about this transceiver. So on the beginning of this live stream you can see the operation with these QRP Labs. So go to the beginning of the live stream and you can find nice QSOs, nice contacts with this radio. All right, so what do you say, guys? I think that the QRP is the very nice part of ham radio life, and sometimes it really makes miracles. HI. Just imagine one thing, that if you had 5 watt light bulb, so can you imagine that? If you have 5 watt light bulb and somebody else who is living maybe 1,000 kilometers from you could see how you are blinking with the light bulb or with the LED. You have the LED light, 5 watt LED light, and you're shining on somebody 1,000 kilometers from you, and he is able to spot this light and maybe even read the Morse code you are making with this LED light. That must be really unthinkable. But this is thinkable, and this is actually possible with the radio waves. So this is something crazy. Okay, guys, so I hope that you enjoyed this video today. It was a little bit longer, but I had really a lot of fun, and also a lot of things what I wanted to try today, especially with this new QMX lab. If you are QRP Labs QMX transceiver, and if you are interested in my future videos, and I plan to make sometime a trip to the woods and a real walkie-talkie style with this antenna, but yeah, the band must be open on 10 meters, of course, so it's not so easy. So if you really enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that like button on the bottom and even subscribe to the channel if you like. So I see that there are some new comments. I have hit the end of the internet. There is some debate there. It is always amazing how far HF goes. This is really true. So thank you very much, guys, for watching, also for my videos. So watching my videos. 73, enjoy the radio, enjoy the ham radio hobby, and we'll see you next time. Again, 73.